Welcome back, everybody. So, welcome back to another video in this series of the Viking E-1600A Emergency Phone. So, in this video, I'm still going to be using the central station mode, but this time I'm also going to be programming in a central station voice number. So, even though it's in central station mode, it still will initiate a voice call after it's done sending all of its information to the central station receiver. So, in order to do this, we just simply need to store a voice number in memory location #06. So, back into programming again. And then enter a phone number followed by #06. #06. There we go. So yeah, now let's give it a whirl. Hello? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it works. Alright, yep, so that's all I'm going to cover in this episode, so thank you guys for watching. Hope to catch you in the next one.